Medical science has increased the human average life. Apart from these, scientific advances have made industries much less polluting. Let us take an example. Efficient new steel works use much less water, raw materials and power while producing much less pollution than traditional factories and nuclear generating plants can provide more energy than coals, while contributing fully to global warming. We are also exploring alternatives such as solar, wind and hydropower. At last but not the least, I would like to say development improves the standard of living and the human condition generally by examining potential solutions to problems such as poverty, unemployment, malnutrition, disease, lack of shelter, environmental degradation, inadequate scientific and technological resources, gender and ethnic discrimination and civil conflict. Development is not defaming the environment because it is enormously soliciting the self-actualization need of the humans. Development brings veritable innovations and putting India involved into a new status of environment. Lighting up a billion aspiration by getting India future ready because together we move the world and together we change the world. Thank you.
Good morning, respected teacher, faculty members, and my dear friend. I am Prabhakar. Today I am here in front of you to protect my view on the topic development versus environment. Man is the intelligent species. He worships an invisible God and a visible nature without realizing that this nature he slated the invisible God he worships. These lines with a deep sense of understanding are quoted by Herbert Rictus. Human beings, the only animal who has made his existence so profound on the planet, and his desire for the development to instance such that it is and already harm instead. I must say it eliminates a major portion of the environment, and the ever increasing population has grown the demand of the planet more superior in the exponential manner, and building of dams restrict the nature flow of rivers, and its result in deposit of soils and submission of near land mass. Most importantly, negative effects on the incense or local fisher and the animals who stripped on the water bodies. Our cities are concrete jungle with every foot square of available space covered with a black tar, making it difficult for earth to breathe, and over it to the deforestation done to accumulators. Accumulators has even worsened the situation. Our dependency on non-renewable fossil fuels has taken us to a point where it is very difficult to ignore the consequences of them getting finished. Deep executed sites left after extinction of global warming, rising sea level, etc., resulting in extraction of island nations from the world maps, are just a few to talk about the same effect of human development on the planet Earth in just past few decades. An unorganized and unplanned development leads to different type of pollutions in our country or world. Due to rapid development, industries and increasing number of vehicles, are pollution raised to the harmful level. Consequences of the above leads to the depletion of ozone layer, global warming and acid rain. Acid rain makes soil infertile and contaminating groundwater. The harm already done to our mother nature has been intense enough not only to extinct the other animal species, but degrade the quality of environment to an extent that it has now started that hit back to the humans itself. And last, I would like to say that this is our moral responsibility to take these gems of nature, which we have been gifted to our coming generation, and it only us users could make it possible. Thank you.